Okay, we still have one more key to delete, but before we write all the code for it, I want us to think about it a little bit. So delete GUID key, that's what we're going to do next. And now let's think. Okay, once we put all the code there and we run this method, what's going to happen? Well, let's look at the registry. First, it's going to try to delete an UnregisterServer32 key, but if we look at the registry, we will see that there is no such key. So the deletion will fail, and the program will return this error, and all this subsequent code will never be run. The solution is to check if a key exists before we try to delete it. And we do that with the following method. So we'll do reg open key x. And let's see what arguments this takes in h key. Okay, this will be the root h key local machine. And the next one will be a sub key. So this is the key that we're going to check the existence of. So we define that up here. So we can just dump LP sub key here. And of course, this method isn't made for W-string, so we'll call the cstr method options 0. Sam desired key all access. Why not? And then, oh, looks like we're going to have to create another h key variable. Not a problem. So let's do that up here. Okay, so if it does find the sub key, then it will return that path to this variable. And of course, we are going to check the result. There we go. No, this is not how we're going to handle an error. So if this is successful, then we are going to attempt to delete the key. So let's put that in there. All right, good. And here, okay, here I think we have two options. We can replace this with that and then put an empty string here, or we can just leave this like that, and I think that's what I'm going to do. And then if that fails, return an error. Yeah, I guess that's a good idea. Okay, good. So that's how we're going to do it. And so if this method is unable to open the key, then all this will be skipped, and then we can just proceed by checking the next key that we want to delete. So let's set that. Oops, sub key, and that's going to be, it's going to be the same as this, except it won't have this part at the end. There we go. So check if GUID key exists, and then delete it. If so. Okay, so I guess I can actually copy this. Let's put that there, and then I can erase that. I probably didn't have to do that. And then can erase that. Alright, and you know what? I want to move this comment up there and delete all that. I don't need that there. Good. Oh, hold on, there is one last thing that we need to do. We're all done deleting the keys that we want, so but we have a key hanging out in HKey, and so if you remember, Microsoft wants us to close that, and I don't know if we should do that in or out of this statement. Let's do it out. Okay. Good, so now we can build and run. And hopefully it doesn't explode. Okay, so when we run this, what we expect to see is this completely gone and disappeared. So, reg server 32 YouTube shell extension x64.dll. Okay, ready, set, go. Nice. Alright, so when we look here and refresh, this key should be all gone. E913. There we go, it's gone. So let's say we want to put it back. All we have to do is run our register server method, which we can do by just erasing that. Ready, set, go. Okay, it was weird. There we go. And when we refresh, it should be back. Here it is. There we go. Alright guys, congratulations. We have done it.